Hey friends, welcome back to SoftGPT. Today, creating high-quality content usually requires multiple AI tools. You might generate images in one AI platform, create videos in another, record voiceovers separately, and then search for music somewhere else. This process can quickly become complicated. But what if most of these steps could happen inside one AI toolkit and then be combined with a professional creative library? In this video, I'll show you how an AI toolkit inside Artlist can help you create complete content faster and more efficiently. Overview of the AI toolkit. Let's start with the AI toolkit itself. This toolkit combines several powerful creative tools in one place. Instead of jumping between platforms, you get access to features like AI image generator, AI video generator, AI voiceovers, and other creative AI tools. For example, if you need a visual for your content, you can simply type a prompt and generate an image instantly. The same applies to videos. Instead of traditional filming, you can generate short AI video scenes based on text descriptions. This is especially useful for creators who want cinematic visuals without expensive equipment or long production times. AI image generation. Let's begin with the image generator. Suppose we want to create a futuristic tech visual. We can simply enter a prompt like futuristic workspace with holographic screens, neon lighting, cinematic atmosphere. Within seconds, the AI generates an image based on that description. This image can be used for YouTube thumbnails, social media content, video backgrounds, or marketing graphics. And since everything is AI generated, you can easily regenerate or refine the visuals until you get the exact style you want. AI video generation. Next comes the AI video generator. This tool allows you to turn simple prompts into short, cinematic clips. For example, you might enter a prompt like aerial shot of a futuristic city at night with glowing neon lights and flying vehicles. The AI then generates a video clip based on that description. Creators can generate multiple clips and combine them to build scenes for YouTube videos, advertisements, cinematic storytelling, or social media reels. AI voiceovers, visuals are important, but every good video also needs narration. That's where AI voiceovers come in. Instead of recording audio manually, you can generate voiceovers directly from text. Simply paste your script, choose a voice style, and the AI generates a natural-sounding narration. This is particularly helpful for YouTube explainers, product demos, educational content, marketing videos. It saves time and ensures consistent audio quality. Using Artlist for music and assets. Now, let's talk about Artlist. While AI tools help generate visuals and voiceovers, professional music and sound design are still essential for a polished final video. Artlist provides a massive library of high-quality music, sound effects, creative assets for video production. For example, after generating AI visuals and voiceovers, you can add cinematic background music from Artlist to enhance the storytelling. Music plays a huge role in setting the tone of a video, whether it's inspirational, dramatic, or energetic. Complete content creation workflow. When you combine the AI toolkit with Artlist, the workflow becomes very efficient. A simple production pipeline might look like this. Generate visuals using the AI image or video generator. Create narration using AI voiceovers. Add professional music and sound effects from Artlist. This combination allows creators to produce high-quality content much faster than traditional production methods. As AI tools continue evolving, workflows like this are becoming the future of content creation. So that's a complete walkthrough of the AI toolkit inside Artlist. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.